had dinner, I think we had more women there than we had men, I think.
Yeah.
I believe. Four guys that didn't show up in our class. They were all sick.
Oh no.
Yeah. He told me about it. I mean, I didn't know before. The majority of them in there, they had this and that and that. You know, she died. And then another one died, Stella Stevens.
Oh, she died?
Yeah. She was 82, I think she got.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw that on TV yesterday.
Hey, good morning. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning. Recipes, a little bit of everything. Gonna be 80 degrees today, guys, about 85 tomorrow. Record heat for February. The next 7 to 10 days look to be mild. Me and Pop's been in here doing cleanup in the little high tunnel, and we got our tomatoes planted over there. Let me see if you can see them. So yeah, we got the tomatoes planted over there. You can see my potatoes are doing really well. Our kale. We still have some cauliflower. Got lots of carrots that we need to harvest. And get some of those canned up, and I think we're also going to freeze dry them because we can make a smoothie. And I got my spinach that I think I'm going to freeze dry as well, because we can go ahead and get the nutritional benefits of anything that we freeze dry in a smoothie form, and we can consume much more of it. So yeah, so now off to transplanting my seed starts. These girls are doing good, guys. We're February 20th. I didn't expect any eggs until March, but I'm getting about 5 a day. And it looks like I got an Easter egger in there. Y'all let me know. And Pop's gonna give them some grapes. They love grapes. Look, Pop, got 3 eggs.
3 eggs. Got with it, huh? Look at them. Hey, chick, 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 chick. Where's the rest of them? I'm saying all of them.
I think they're all out. No, they love grapes. They love the greens too. So they are doing really, really good for us, and we're very excited. We've gotten away from the Purina food, and we have been feeding them from our local feed store, a couple of brands, and one of them is the More Poultry Chick Starter. So we're doing transplants this morning, guys. I can't be more impressed with the Survival Garden Seed Company. You can see I probably got about 90 to 99% germination. And these are cilantros, and these are my large basils. Those will probably go into my Tower of Power. So yeah, I think that we're very impressed with them, and we're probably going to stick with them quite a bit because of this germination. And not to mention how good their prices are. So why do we start our seeds this way? So we put our seeds in the little seed starting trays because it helps them to germinate and it helps them to get their root system quicker. And then we transplant to a 3-inch pot to get them a little bit stronger before we transplant them for the year. So this has worked out for us for many years. Very excited about it. So you can see here the little root system, and we just pop it in our little 3-inch pot here, and then we'll put these back out in the high tunnel where they'll get full sun, especially this week, guys. Some of these are gonna pop, and I know you saw that seed collection we had out there. We expect many of those to pop this week with this heat. So yeah, I cannot be more pleased with these Survival Garden Seeds. I'll go ahead and put the link below if you're interested in them. So again, we do this because it gives our plants a really good head start. Now this is the culinary basil right here. Very excited about these. You can see it's getting a little purple color. And then I've got large basil in there, and I've got some more herbs. I have dill here. Look at my daisies. I don't know if you can see that. You should be able to. My daisies are doing fantastic. I was very excited about these, if you remember. And then I've got tomato mix here. Eggplant, I had probably about a 50% germination. This was just a test. But remember, guys, when I started these, it was cold. And we put them out there on those seed starting trays, but they still did really good. Here are some Brandywine tomatoes. I got some Roma tomatoes, and these are the red cherry tomatoes. Got 4 of these, 100% germination. Very excited about that. But this is going to free up this seed tray for us to start some more seeds as if we need to. But yes, we do need to. Ooh-wee, guys. So I have my tatsoi here. All my daisies, so excited about those. I have Waltham broccoli here. I've got my tags, so I know what I got going on. And guys, if you're buying those black tubs for your wicking tubs or for just container gardening, this is a perfect thing to use the lid for your seed starts, because we can put water in here and let these be wicking as well, and it'll wick up the moisture and keep our seeds damp. So I have this tray and this tray. So again, this was testing those Survival Garden Seeds to see the germination. Very pleased. So I have all kinds of things here in this tray. I've got Brandywine, dill, Roma, culinary basil, parsley, some cilantro. Woo-wee, so excited. So you can see my onions are doing pretty well out here in the big high tunnel. Thank goodness. Everything else is just about gone. So to give you guys an idea of our seed starts, hold tight. So here's another tray of those Survival Garden Seeds that I started. So I'm fixing to start transplanting these. I got some cabbage, and I have some more kale, and I have some chard, some mustard greens, which I'm really excited about. So we're gonna get started on this one now. Pop's getting my little pots filled for me. Last, guys, but certainly not least, but last for right now, until more of those seed starts come up. So I have some mustard greens, some Brussels sprouts, rainbow chard, the Lacento kale, some Utah celery, and some more cabbages. One of my next seed starts are going to be these yellow pear tomatoes. These have always done really good out here. We just hadn't grown them for a while. Everything is gonna like its new spot here. My hair is getting a little crazy. Hadn't had a haircut in a while. So that is it for today, guys. Whole bunch of work going on. Still got so much more to keep going. But I think we're off to a good start. At least I hope we are, the Lord willing. And so, yeah. So do y'all think that we planted too many seed starts? Let me know. Comment below, guys. Be sure and share our videos. Be sure and hit that little bell. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And like this video. We got a lot of stuff going on. You're going to want to pay attention and stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. We love you.